Your vehicle may be equipped with drive modes, which changes how the vehicle handles in certain conditions. Use the left and right drive mode buttons at the bottom of the steering wheel to scroll through available modes. Your currently selected mode is displayed in the instrument cluster. Depending on what your vehicle is configured with, you can choose from options such as drag, track, sport, auto, eco, wet/snow, or a custom setup. Each mode has its own tuned propulsion, traction, suspension, and steering settings. By navigating to the Dashboard tab under the Vehicle section of your touchscreen, you can choose drive modes to see more detailed information about each of the modes, or go into the Custom setup to tweak the settings exactly to your liking. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.